almost done on my 10, no, I don't want to say 10 day. Almost done on my 4-day tour of Florida, visiting Broward Motorsports. Largest chains of power sports dealerships on Florida East.
So I can look wherever.
Yes, wherever you want, you can look around. And you can talk with your eyes.
Yeah,
you can go, hey, you know, the ceilings are black.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? I'm Keith. I'm here at Broward Motorsports Treasure Coast, and I'm here with Max from Parts and Services, and we're going to talk about all the cool stuff that goes on in this dealership. Max, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Tell me, what got you into the whole power sports thing?
Honestly, probably the feeling that you get when you ride. For me, it's like that, like feeling of like just you're there, you're free, you do whatever you want. It's almost like you own the road. It's amazing. Honestly, it's not something you can describe. It's something you have to experience to know.
That is a perfect way to describe it. What's your favorite thing to ride? Your favorite toy?
Probably my bike that I got 2019 Honda CBR 300. That's my favorite.
All right. We're gonna see Max ripping down the road pretty soon. Okay, I get it. So what do you do here? And then just give me a little bit about what goes on.
Okay, I work for Parts and Service. I take calls and I help people find what parts they need, help them get the parts, make sure they got the right stuff, make sure it works for them. Stuff along those lines. And like us as a whole here, we sell. We help fix, repair things that need to be repaired and fixed. We do quite a bit. I'm not sure.
That's all right. It sounds like you do a lot. So if someone buys and they purchase their vehicle, that means they come back here, they get a service, cover all of that. When they want add-ons, you guys do all of that. Perfect. Yeah, I get the whole thing. Now we're in front of my favorite toy, which is the Can Am Ryker. So are these selling like crazy? Is this what everybody wants, or?
I mean, we've literally had to sell just within the week, so I would think so. I know that they are definitely a very fun-looking toy.
Yes, indeed. These are my fun toys. I love them, and that's I just can't get enough of it. So if somebody comes in, they say, hey, I bought the Ryker and everything, and they want to accessorize it. Like, where do they go? Who do you send them to, like, to get all this cool stuff on?
Most definitely, that would probably be my spot because Parts and Service.
Exactly.
We definitely do have accessories. Like we've got definitely all of this stuff. This is some really good quality stuff that we have. I know we got some more as well. We've got accessories, add-ons. It's here. You name it, we got it.
All right. So if you got your Ryker and you're here at Broward Motorsports, come see Max. He'll hook you up, get your bike looking real nice to get out of here. Max, thank you for having me. It was great seeing you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for the time. I'm out. Broward Motorsports Treasure Coast. I'm here checking out their whole lineup. Man, do they have Can Am Rykers. They're selling like crazy. As soon as they hit the floor, you'll see a sold. As soon as they hit the floor, they got a sold sign ready for them. I'm just checking out all the cool stuff. Polaris Slingshot. I sat in so many of them. I could see myself purchasing one or maybe just taking a ride on one. I don't know, but then I look at jet skis and I'm like, you know what? I'll take a ride on a jet ski too, but I'll never give up my love for the Can Am Ryker. It's just my favorite toy, bar none. So you'll never have to worry about something like that. But appreciate seeing everybody. More to come. Just keep following and ride safe, everybody. Just keep riding safe.